guys, Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to Must Have Mondays. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my couponing essentials. So this is, whenever I go couponing in store, this is what I have on me all the time. So this is like my couponing survival kit and my couponing must-have. So let's just go ahead and get into it. The first thing that I always go couponing with is a big tote bag. I am not a small purse gal, so I am constantly couponing with my whole inserts in my purse. I will have physical ads. I will have all sorts of stuff in my purse. So I need a large tote when I'm going about, and you know, I shove some diapers in there, all sorts of stuff. I'm a mom of 3, so I need to have a big tote, especially if I'm couponing with kids, to put their snacks in it. So I'm always hauling around this big Mama Jamma tote. So I got this guy from Target. If you're at all interested in it, I'll go ahead and have it linked below. It's definitely a nice little knockoff for, you know, Kate Spade as well. I mean, I own Kate Spade bags, and honestly, this looks practically the same, but it was definitely not Kate Spade prices. So this is just Target. It's a New Day line. I love Target's accessories and their wallets, and I even added on the matching wallet because I thought it was stinking cute. So you want to have a big tote because as couponers, we lug around a lot of stuff. So the next thing inside your couponer tote, you want to have some sort of little pouch to keep all of your couponing essentials inside. So I'm just going to go through this little zipper tote with you guys. So I got this pencil pouch from the Dollar Tree, and I like the quality of this guy. So I wouldn't suggest picking up the plastic ones. I would definitely suggest getting one that has a zipper and the fabric. And what I like about this pencil pouch in particular is there's 2 zippers, so you can go ahead and put your coupons or your CRTs if you're a CVS shopper. You can put them in this side, and then you can have all of your other contents in the bigger pouch. So you can organize your couponer pouch however you want to. So the first thing that is inside my couponer survival kit is what I'm calling this, is some sort of notebook. So I get these notebooks from the Dollar Tree. This is the Jot brand. My favorite type of notebook are the hardcover notebooks. And inside there's a lot of lined paper, and I like that the binding is hard as well. I don't like the spiral notebooks because I feel like they kind of like break the pages apart, especially, you know, when you're using it a lot. So if you're a couponer, you definitely want to have some sort of paper to write stuff down with. So either you're going into the store with your breakdown, or you know, you need to make little notes, whatever. You need something to write with if you are a couponer. And then you need something to write with. So there's been so many times I've been in store so many times and I've never had a pen. So I always keep multiple pens in my little pouch, and my goal is to keep the pens in the pouch, but honestly that never happens. So I'm always replenishing my pen stock from the Dollar Tree. So you need some sort of pens. And then a calculator. Some sort of like physical calculator really helps when you are couponing in store, because a lot of times you could just go ahead and use the calculator on your phone, but a lot of times I'm doing other things on my phones. I'm looking up rebates on my different rebate apps that I have. I have a million of them. I'm price checking something. Maybe I'm at Target and I want to price check Amazon. So I'm having to utilize my phone, but at the same time I need my calculator. So instead of going back and forth with my phone apps, I just have a handheld calculator. Got this guy from the Dollar Tree. So spend the buck and go get yourself a physical calculator. And if your phone dies, then you still have something to go ahead and calculate with. And then you want some sort of scissors, because if you're like me and you go couponing with whole inserts, then you need something to go ahead and cut your coupons with, so that you're not, you know, tearing them and risking tearing the barcode, because if you can't scan the barcode, you can't use the coupon. So I would suggest you always keep a pair of scissors in your little pouch. And you know, scissors come in handy so many different times when you're thinking to yourself, shoot, I have like a loose string on my shirt, or whatever it is you may need scissors for. You'll always have an emergency pair of scissors in your couponer essential pouch. So definitely have some sort of scissors. And you guys, hand sanitizer. When we are couponing inside pharmacies and grocery stores, basically anywhere that has a pharmacy inside likely has sick people in it. So there's germs everywhere on the handle of the shopping cart, on the handheld baskets, when we're, touching the keypad on when we're, sliding our card and entering our PIN numbers, using the thing to sign. You guys, do you know how many people have touched those things and how many people have been sick coming in and out of CVS or Walgreens or Target, and they're there to pick up their medicine because they're sick? You need hand sanitizer. So if you forget to wash your hands after you leave the pharmacy, make sure you have this and literally drown yourself in it when you get into your car. You need this. So definitely keep it in your pencil pouch because you never know if you're going to need it. And lastly, the essential that you need to have to be a great couponer is you need to follow my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel below. The button is right down there. Just hit subscribe, ding the notification bell, and follow me on my website, ginashweppy.com, and my Instagram. So I will have all my social medias below. Stick with me and I'm going to help you guys save so much money. So these are my essentials when it comes to physical couponing items. I hope you guys enjoyed this must-have Monday, and if you guys were watching my Dollar Tree haul earlier this week, then I kind of hinted that I would have some sort of giveaway going on here. So I'm going to go ahead and give away this little couponer essential kit to you guys, and I'm going to stuff it with some coupons as well. So if you would like to be entered to win this, just make sure you are a subscriber. Comment anything below. If you want an additional entry, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Instagram is not a requirement, but if you want an additional entry, then make sure you're following me on Instagram. Screenshot this video and tag me in it so I know that you were entering for an additional Instagram entry. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's must-have Mondays, and I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye.